Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to OpenSea. First, ensure your MetaMask extension is installed in your browser and you are logged in. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection process. Make sure you have some Ethereum in your wallet to cover any potential gas fees for transactions on the platform. Having your wallet ready saves time later. Before connecting, double-check that your MetaMask wallet is properly set up. Open your browser and click on the MetaMask extension icon. Log in using your password. It's important to have some Ethereum or ETH in your wallet to cover any transaction costs, often called gas fees. Also, verify that your wallet is connected to the Ethereum mainnet for compatibility. Now let's connect to OpenSea. Open your web browser and go to the official OpenSea website. Look for a small wallet icon, usually in the top right corner of the page, and click it. A list of wallet options will appear. Select MetaMask. Your MetaMask extension will then prompt you to approve the connection. Simply confirm this request to proceed. Once approved, your MetaMask wallet address should appear on OpenSea, confirming a successful connection. You can now browse your existing NFTs, list items for sale, or make new purchases. Remember to always carefully review all transaction details in MetaMask before confirming. For enhanced security, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet from OpenSea when you are finished using the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.